My name's James Mavros. I'm manager here at the Plenty Ranges Arts and Convention Centre, which is proudly owned and operated by the City of Whittlesea. City of Whittlesea has been looking at a new healthy catering policy, and I was asked to join a small committee to look at how we're actually going to go about bringing that into fruition. Through the staff consulting process, we found there was a need for healthy catering. We were looking at a green, amber and red light system where the majority of food has to be within a healthy range. So we really wanted to bring in a panel of caterers that could offer that could easily supply healthy food. We found that there was a lot of occasions where people were over ordering, and we think we can actually save quite a bit of money by putting some guidelines there as far as how many people and how much food you actually need. I believe the cost will actually come down as far as catering goes. What actually came into the scope of the healthy catering was vending machines. Again, part of making things easy and was being able to offer staff alternatives, being able to offer them healthy choices. There was no point in having a vending machine there that council's offering to staff that is just not healthy. Now we're saying here's a vending machine where there's alternatives, and we found a lot of people really wanted an alternative to the unhealthy choices that were within the vending machines. It hasn't been a quick process. There's been a lot of thought that's gone behind this. It hasn't just been a couple of people getting together and saying, hey, how are we going to fix this? There's been a lot of consultation, staff consultation that's gone into this. There's also been a lot of departments working together to get some positive outcomes between Healthy Together Whittlesea and Wellbeing at Work, and different departments offering suggestions and offering opinions. There's been a lot of consultation. It hasn't been an ad hoc process. There's been a lot of thought and a lot of structure around how we're going to do this.